Today we're going to be changing the Catit PIXI smart fountain filters. You got to change it every 30 days. To change it, you're going to need a simple pair of tweezers or just your bare hands. The filter is very difficult to remove, so we'll start by taking this apart. Pop off the white piece, then you want to take off the stainless steel. Now this is for the smart one. The smart one has the stainless steel and the filter comes apart a little different. Set that aside, and then we'll disconnect the rubber hose from the pump. And then, now this is the difficult part. So you want to grab this and just give it a firm push down and it'll pop right off. It takes a lot more force than you think it does. That's the Catit feeder going off. And then you can simply just take the filter out and then you replace it with one you get from Amazon or from your local pet store. Make sure you push it down and then you can just put it back together. In terms of the pump should be taken apart and cleaned as well. You can just pry off the mesh screen, set that aside. You could also take off this piece. This is just to protect the propeller. And then if you see in there, there's actually some cat hair that made it through everything. So you can take that out, set that aside. And then you can actually, with a set of tweezers, you can actually pull the propeller right out and clean that. Just give it a good yank, and then you can give it a wash and you can put it all together. I hope that helps someone. Just remember, it takes a lot more force to push that filter off. Grab it firmly like this and just push with your thumbs and it'll pop right off. Thanks.